Alright, what's going on, guys? So today is actually the day right before Clean Culture down in Englishtown. I washed the car yesterday, and luckily enough I was able to pick up this piece that I'm about to show you guys in just a sec, but we're gonna go on and install it today. Should be pretty simple, probably hopefully one of the quickest installs on the channel. And yeah, let me show you what I got. So as you guys see, beautiful carbon fiber pieces right here. This is the fender badge as well as the fender insert. This is the JDM muscle, I believe, very similar to the Cybon, but we're gonna put those on and see how she looks. So I didn't see any videos on YouTube on how to take this off, so basically just pried at it and ripped that sucker off, and yeah, that's basically it. These are all pop clips in here. Of course I'll clean that up a little bit, but as you guys can see, side skirt is still on. It's just this single pop clip right here. That is all you have to do is push that one back in. But anyway, have the fender cap, fender insert, I guess, taken off. Now the one thing that I was unaware is that this little pop clip bracket that sits inside the OEM fender insert, you actually have to transfer this over to the carbon fiber one. I thought that this one just goes on, but no, you have to actually take this one off of that one. A little bit of a pain in the butt. Recommend heating this up because it is glued on pretty well. So I just hit it with the heat gun a couple swipes over, and I was able to peel it off without breaking it or anything like that. So gonna have to tape this one, put it on that one, and then I'll be able to put it on that and she'll be good to go. Apologize for the lighting, it is getting dark, we're losing sunlight here, but just installed the passenger side. Fitment is not the best, but then again, anytime you have an aftermarket part, especially carbon fiber, the fitment isn't going to be the best, but got everything popped into place, and I think it adds a real nice touch to the car. Now, one thing that I did do, these are the stock clips that fit on the little insert over there, but I actually subbed them out for these just because these were not reaching far enough, so I grabbed a longer one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gotta do this on the other side. Probably not gonna show the other side just because it is getting dark, so you probably won't see much, but yeah, she's on there, and honestly I really like how it looks. So we just made it into the show. I didn't sign up to be in the show, but they put me in the show. So it is what it is. Pretty cool, I guess. But yeah, we're gonna walk around, check everything out. I think they got some drifting over there, so we're gonna film a bunch. And yeah, I'm excited to check out all the cars.
Yeah. Okay guys, so like I just put it on and like I'm part of the clean
Plus 10 horsepower.
Sheesh.
Alright guys, so as you just saw, we filmed a bit of the cars that were in the show, a little bit of the drifting, which was cool. I haven't seen drifting in person in a while. But anyway, we're leaving now. Hope you guys appreciate the video. Hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for checking in once again, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!